In this video, I will show you the simple steps to clear your home feed history on Pinterest so you can refresh your recommendations and see new content. Over time, your feed might get cluttered with things you're no longer interested in, but clearing your history fixes that fast. First, open the Pinterest app or website and log into your account. Look for the small arrow or profile icon in the corner and click on it to open your account settings. Once the menu opens, navigate to the Tune Your Home Feed option. This is the secret area where Pinterest tracks everything you have viewed or saved lately. In this section, you will see tabs for history and interests. Go to the History tab to see a list of every pin you have looked at recently. You can turn off specific pins by toggling the switch next to them, or you can choose to delete your entire history at once. After you make these changes, your feed will instantly begin to show fresh pins that match your current style. It is that easy to do.